This old man reversed and affected the biker. The man acknowledged his mistake and apologized.
Go forward! Oh, mate!
So sorry. I am so sorry. I accept my fault.
Alright, fella.
I just think I looked at my room.
I had to stop in a hurry because of him, like, obviously, but I wasn't far behind you, mate, so you just come back into me. Can you do me a favour, just go forward with it, because I can't move, mate.
Can you press down?
Cards, it's crushed. Maybe just pull me back a bit and I'll park it over there.
I'm sorry.
Can you pull me back a bit and I'll park it over there?
I've got a problem. Can I push?
Yeah, go on. Okay, fella, I'll park it over there. You pull, look. Have a little look at it. It's alright, fella. Didn't see me. You didn't see me, just reversed back into me, like, but never mind, mate.
The two road users took their time to exchange words in the middle of the road.
Huh? Stupid? Shut up. You shut up. You trying to somebody? What are you talking about? Your mouth. Do it then.
The woman parked in the middle of the road and believed she was doing the right thing.
Is everybody alright, ma'am?
Yeah, my sister went to get some more gas.
More gas?
Yeah, ran out of
Should have
gas.
stopped on the side. I'm sorry. You should have stopped some more on the side instead of the middle of the road.
Well, how am I stop though?
Huh?
If it run out, if it just stopped, how
No,
can I
when
pull?
it slows down, you need to take it on the right side. At least turn on the hazard.
Huh?
Turn
You
on
wanna
the
push
lights.
it?
Huh?
You want to push it?
No, turn on the hazard lights.
Okay, do you want to push the car?
I asked turn on the four-way blinkers so that people will see.
Okay, but would you like to push it over this way? It could be on the side.
No, not. Yeah, I can.
Okay, come on. I wanna know.
Turn to the right.
Okay, thank
Still
you.
turn on the four-way blinkers, ma'am.
It's already on.
I don't see that.
Oh, well, maybe it's not working.
Sorry.
This man didn't want the bikers on his property. He stopped them and asked them to leave.
Yes, private property. It's private property.
Private property?
Never come in here anymore, okay?
Okay.
Okay, where you go? You go in the street or you go for this way?
We can't tell you that.
Okay, where do you live?
Huh?
You live
You're
on?
just asking where you guys came from, through the street, or you guys cut through the trails back there?
Oh, well, I mean, we came from like,
Why do you, it's
Somewhere.
more easy for you go home.
huh?
Yeah, we gotta get out of here, dude.
I know. We came like from somewhere here.
Yeah, it's all good. Just don't come back again.
Sorry, we didn't know that.
And if y'all get hurt,
The biker almost took the cyclist out and came back to argue with him. Who do you think was wrong in this case?
Oh, sake! Bloody hell! What are you playing at? What did you do that for? You nearly took me out. I'm going over the road. You cut across me.
Where's your indicator? You should be on the
I was going ahead. I shouldn't be on the path. I should be on the
If
road.
you're going straight, you should be in the middle of the
I
not
was.
to the left, not to
I
the
was
left.
in the. Have you read the highway code?
Ride properly, you little
Have you read the highway code?
You ride properly. Where's your light?
Where's my what?
Where's your light?
Lights.
Where's your reflectors?
What are you talking about?
You
You've just cut me up.
So stop talking.
You've just cut me up.
Why? Was you indicating?
I was going straight over the roundabout, so I don't have to indicate.
What side was you? You was to the left. What side do you have to be in
I
to go
was not
straight?
indicating. No, if you read
use your arm.
If you read, I was not going left. I was going straight over. And if you read the highway code, that is correct procedure for a cyclist.
When you're going straight over.
No. If you read the highway code, for a cyclist, listen to me.
I've done my test. When you go straight over, you do not stay to the left.
This is a different rule for cyclists. They make either
go
lane.
Go on the path.
Cyclists, no.
Shut your mouth.
It is a law. Go on the path like you just did.
Ride your bike properly or you get hit.
You've just ridden on the footpath on your motorbike, which you shouldn't do.
To come to you little prick.
Sorry?
To come to see what you were saying.
Yes, but you're complaining about me and I did nothing wrong.
What's the law? You can drive on the path up to 25 feet without it being illegal. Yes, it is. No. Yes, it is. It's the same as a car. You don't know nothing. You Shut your mouth before I knock you out.
You're threatening.
Move. Go on.
Are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening you, mate.
Right.
I'm telling you. What, you think you're bad because you got a little camera? Your camera? Why are you pointing at it? Go on, what? Why are you pointing at me? I'll take it off your bike now and throw it.
No, don't threaten me.
Or what? Move then.
Okay.
Go on. What are you trying to look at?
Sorry, what?
The biker challenged the driver by using his phone behind the wheel. Just when the biker looked away, he jumped a red light and almost crashed.
What? What's up? You're using your phone. Because you're using your phone, you should be paying attention. Look, you just went through a red. You idiot. That's exactly what I mean. So I've got you jumping a red light and using your phone. What's up? Oh, whatever. Pull over.
The driver was reversing in the middle of the road and almost crashed into the biker. He got a wonderful mirror smash for that.
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? Get out of here! Get out of here! You're stupid!
The driver used his mobile phone while driving and almost caused a road hazard. The biker confronted him to talk some sense to him in anger.
Get off your phone. You're a hazard, you shouldn't even be driving a car. You're on camera. It's all going into the police station. No, off. Sorry's not good enough. If I'm laying dead in roads, it's going to the coppers anyway. Got your registration and everything.
This old man wanted to knock out the rider for riding past his kid on a motocross track.
You got me?
Yeah.
Because if you come around once more, you're going to get the log in the face. It wasn't that guy. And if you don't like what I said, bring your old man down here. You'll get the log in the face.
This biker parked in the middle of the road to challenge this woman. The woman claimed the biker was sitting in her blind spot.
What the f is that? What the f?
You're sitting in my blind spot. Do you get that?
There is no such thing as a blind spot when you look.
I did.
I came forward. What the f? Do you want to see it on film?
Go ahead.
Shut the f up up! You know nothing about the situation, you dumb. Mind your business.
This driver was driving close to the bike and stirred up the biker's rage.
Why are we this close to a bike? Why are we this close? You're too close. I told you back there to back off.
Yeah, because you stopped. I didn't mean that.
I stopped at the red light.
Yeah?
That's what you're supposed to do. Before you turn right, you stop at a red light.
Yeah.
And then you came around the corner and you're too close.
But that's not what I mean.
I told you to back off. You didn't back off. You kept the same distance.
Sorry.
I gave you one warning and then you stayed close.
It's not what I mean.
If I let off the throttle on this, you'll run me over. I don't even have to touch the brakes on my bike.
Okay. Sorry.
That's how fast a bike stops.
Okay.
And I have no protection from this.
Yeah. But it's not what I mean. Okay? People make mistakes.
Yes,
Yeah,
I understand.
yeah.
But I want you to understand. Too close.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
It's not what I mean. Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a safe travel.
Okay. Have a better day.
The truck driver was not paying attention and wanted to change lanes. He almost hit the lady biker and got her annoyed.
Watch where the you're going. Yeah, you're sorry. That's right. Watch, man. Yeah, no, man. You gotta look. You gotta look. Holy sh.
The biker lost his temper on the old woman. He could have done worse if he had the chance.
You tried to swerve into me twice, so you. You just swerved into me twice.
No, I just.
Yeah, you just swerved into me twice. Hey, you're on camera. Go ahead, you're on camera. Go ahead. You're on camera. Go ahead. It's recording. It's red, ain't it? It's red, ain't it? You.
I think that's a piece of garbage.
Yeah, go ahead.
You have just flipped me off, and I just literally got in this car to go to work.
Guess what? I don't give a driving into me twice.
I haven't dropped.
Twice.
I haven't passed you but one time.
Twice.
The guy in the Jeep ran the red light and almost took the biker out. The biker waited for him to battle it out with him.
You motherfucker. Got you on camera. I got you on camera running that red light. You'll be on YouTube tonight, dumb. You. I already did. You're going on YouTube tonight. You're going at Snowflake. Snowflake.
The driver tried to overtake the biker in the same lane after the biker filtered in front of him. He said words of abuse to the biker. He was probably not aware that lane filtering is legal in South Australia.
Filtering is legal, you dumb. It's legal. It's 100% legal, Ed. Whatever.
The driver pulled out in front of the biker, going at a minimal speed limit. The biker became more pissed when the driver gave him a bad look.
You got to be pulling out. You could have just told me. You literally could have just told me. You realize that, right? Alright, yeah. So look both ways before you go. And your car, everything you own would have been mine. You realize that, right? It's a high-def camera. It's not a sorry, it's a matter of life.
This guy almost scratched someone's car because the lady driver was on a call while driving. She even failed to admit it.
That's what happened. God damn it, what the f? Get off your phone! You just made me hit this car because you pushed me into them.
You're in the middle. Why would you go right there?
Because I'm legally allowed to. I'm a motorcycle.
Oh, okay. Watch out.
Shut up! You saw me. I have it on camera. Your mirror's okay. I didn't scratch it. Yeah, you're good. She like pushed me into you. You good? You okay? Yeah. Okay. Learn from that. That's why that happened. Pay attention. You want me to tell the cops you're on your phone? Roll down your window. Dumb idiots, man, I swear.
The drunk guy wanted to pick a fight with the three bikers.
Him. You guys were talking to me though. No, I was talking to him. Out of the road. I wasn't talking to you. We're all together. Yeah. The f*** me? We were talking to him, man. You were waiting for him for 15 minutes. Just walk away. Just walk away, man. Come on, man. The bathroom. Just walk away, man. I'm about to sock that foot. Is it recording?
These two road users left the highway to settle their differences at the parking lot.
What?
So badass, real tough guy.
I was trying to get out of the way of some other dip. You dip. Shut the f up and go. Go before I call the cops, dip. Go. Just stay there. Yeah, he was just pissed off because I guess I cut him off. I was trying to get out of the way of some other idiot that was driving stupid. Huh?
The light.
Yeah. So I went around him. I didn't brake check him or anything. And then he's like, he was touching my back tire.
Yeah.
Being a f***ing idiot. I was like, dude, just wait there. I'll call the cops. And then he didn't want to say. He was being stupid. And then, did you see him follow me in here?
Yeah.
Stupid. It's all right.
Careful.
Appreciate it, man.
This woman was not aware that lane filtering is legal in Victoria. She got pissed by that and yelled aggressively at the biker.
It's legal!
This driver changed direction but used his indicator late. The biker went after him to have a small discussion.
Só agora, caralho, é que puxa mais do pisca! Você não sabe andar na estrada. Não ligou o pisca. Você ligou o pisca em cima do acontecimento. Você sabe perfeitamente. Eu vinha a falar. Não reparei, agora falar. Ouça, você só tem uma coisa a fazer. Reconheceu que fez mal, não fez? Pronto, está desculpado. E eu peço desculpa igual. E trava bem. Está a ver?
The driver of the Jeep was upset that the bikers filtered by him at the lights. The Jeep overtook them and blocked the road in a turning. This annoyed the biker as well because he almost crashed. They both argue it like men on the road.
Move your Get the out of the way. Get the out of the way. You trying to put me up, trying to kill me there, yeah? Get the up the road, will you? It's on camera, you young cunt. Get up the road, will you? Get up the road. Go. You're blocking traffic. Move. Move. Get out, because you're blocking traffic. You're blocking traffic. Move. Go. He tried to kill me, this cunt. Put the cross in front, then he blocked it. Best saying on the cunt.
The driver cut off this biker. The driver was pissed and decided to make him realize what he did was stupid.
Yeah, that's what I tell you. People are stupid, dude. You just cut right in front of us, man. What the What the Did you You can kill anyone. Just right across, just cross. You gotta look sometimes, okay? I got you on video. She's carried someone on back, and you had to throw on the brake, and you just cut right in front. What the You gotta look at your dude. You're an idiot, bro. You're an idiot. I know where you live now.
The driver yelled at this biker, claiming he was in a hurry. This came after the biker was riding at the required speed limit.
Yeah, you asshole. You want to pull over? You? Yeah, you want to? Pull over, you asshole. You riding? Pull over, kid.
This driver drove into the lane without looking out for other vehicles. The biker approached her and caught her laughing. His rage multiplied.
You think it's funny? Well, look, you can't flying onto that roundabout. You. It won't be that when you killers, will it? Well, look and slow down.
The driver drifted into the biker's lane in a dual turn lane. The biker had to slam on his brakes during a turn. The driver believed the biker was wrong, which got the biker more annoyed.
You dumb idiot! Are you blind or something, you prick? Use your eyes, that's what your mirrors are for, you. Mate, I could send this in the police if you want. It's all on camera, you. Doesn't even use the I'll smash them up, you.
The driver was driving too slow and reckless. The biker decided to teach him a lesson and slammed his mirror. This driver cut off two bikers and tried to ram them off the road.
Can you use your eyes? Use your eyes. Use your fucking eyes. Use your eyes. Yeah? I ain't parking up anywhere, bruv. Use your eyes. You can kill someone on the road. Use your eyes. Okay, bro. Okay. Are you okay, you prick? You prick! Stop!
This biker followed a bad driver to his destination and decided to confront him calmly.
Yeah, try and be safer on the roads, mate. Try and be safer on the road.
Safer?
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
Well, you're crawling up the arse of every car in front of you. That little Hyundai.
Are you a traffic cop or something?
No, I'm a person in society like you are, so it's nice if we can all like treat each other nicely.
Drive around trying to antagonize people on your motorcycle.
That's what you're doing on your car, dude.
That's what you're doing.
No, it's what you do when you rode up my arse.
Off.
Oh, sorry?
So slow that I almost hit you.
I can go, there's no requirement for me to go as fast as you want me to go. But there is a requirement for you not to endanger my life.
Me to go. You're not a cop.
Dude, I'm just asking you to be safer.
You don't sit there and point at your cameras like I'm doing something wrong.
You were doing something wrong.
We're doing something wrong also. Antagonizing drivers is not.
By going slowly at that turn?
The turn?
Well, no, sorry.
When you took off.
At the merge? At the merge? Do you mean at the merge? See, the reason why I didn't do that...
The reason you did that was to piss me off.
No, it's because you would have...
I've got time for that. For 2 hours.
It's because you would have tailgated me. That's why I didn't do it. I already knew you were a bad driver.
This woman suddenly pulled in behind the biker driving too close to him. The biker challenged him, but she gave him a look.
Think so? You think? Hey! You endangered my life back there. You endangered my life. You were so close to me on the highway. There was cars in front of me, there was nowhere for me to go. You got right in my ass, that's really dangerous. You'll be on YouTube now. Thank you for apologizing, you scared the out of me. Thank you.
This driver yelled at the biker from his vehicle, claiming that the biker was not looking where he was going.
What? Yeah, it's because you gotta look where you're going, bud. You gotta look where you're going, man. Yeah, it's a blind turn. It sucks there's a car in the way, but you gotta look. Don't worry, bud. I got it all on here, man. It's not like you got the right of way, bud.
The driver was impatient and decided to change lanes in the traffic without using his mirror. The biker called him to order in anger.
Why are you driving like a maniac? You're blocking my lane. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. You're driving like a crazy maniac right now. You know that? Huh?
I know that.
You know you're driving.
You have a problem with that?
Yeah, I got a problem when you're driving. You're too slow for me. You're too slow for me. You're too slow. You're too slow. Your car's a piece of shit.
This lady was driving recklessly with the belief that she had the right of way. The biker went after her to tell her what she did wrong.
Are you? You know, you really gotta be.
We both done it. We both have the right of way.
No, you gotta. I have the right of way.
No, we both have it because we both done it.
No, wait. I'm trying to be peaceful here.
I didn't have to fight with you. Okay?
I know, me neither. I just want to let you know, you gotta wait until it's clear for you to go. Okay, you know what? You know what? You're driving a Mercedes, and I have a rule.
No.
and you're following the rule.
You follow it too.
You drive like a Mercedes.
Yeah, you too.
I've said it before. Moto Madness. Did I or did I not comment and say that if you drive a Mercedes or Range Rover, BMW, and a few other I listed, you're most likely an asshole? Did I or did I not? I did, right?
This old man stopped the guy while he was enjoying his ride.
Going home? Yeah? Well, we don't really mean to.
We're not really meaning to. Look at the tires on them.
Yeah, look at the tires. Go down there where you see that sign that lady had to keep off her property. You was the one doing the spinning down there.
Okay, well, I'll stop.
Got no goddamn business out here.
Actually, I live right down there, too.
Huh?
I live right down there, too.
Where do you live? You don't live down there.
Yes, I do.
You don't live at Sam's.
Yes, I do.
How do you live at Sam's?
I live way down there at Nancy's house.
That don't matter if you live here. Why in the hell do you have to tear the roads up?
All right, well, I'll stop because I'm not meaning to. Do you think I would do that purposely to just?
Yes, I do. I think you're a smart ass. That's what it is.
I wouldn't just tear up the road purposely to make people mad, sir.
Hey, when you turn around right over there in that driveway there.
All right.
You spun around right there in the road. Then cars drive over, pound it down, then everybody else has got to drive through that goddamn mess.
All right, I'm sorry, sir. I won't do it again, but.
I know you ain't. Tell you what, I'm gonna have your ass locked up.
All right.
I'm sick and tired of this. I can only grade this road after it rains.
Okay.
When it gets dry, you can't do nothing with it. You guys tear these goddamn roads up, then all the rest of us got to live with it.
All right.
Rain.
All right. I understand. All right.
But you better, but if you drive it straight, there ain't no problem. The cars will match it back down. You spin around the road.
But when I spin around, my tires just slide over it.
Don't turn around.
When you come across angry people who don't welcome bikers in their neighborhood.
Huh? I know.
Get it out and I'll call the cops. They'll cut the bull down this road.
All right.
I saw you the other day too. They'll cut it out.
Have a good one.
The angry driver almost hit the motorcyclist and acted like it was not his fault. He went after the biker for confrontation.
You want to drive? What?
Keep your mouth to yourself.
You're supposed to turn right in that way, not go straight.
I'll let you go ahead and go. Because the GPS is
The driver almost ran the biker over at the roundabout. The biker parked in the middle of the road to make the driver realize his errors.
Hey! Really? Really? You played.
The biker argued with the driver because he didn't use the blinker.
Use your blinkers. Use your blinkers. I got it. Use your blinkers. You need to use your blinkers. You didn't use your blinker. Yeah, because she was going into the lane. Use your blinkers. I can't hear you. Then I was making a turn. What the? What the? You almost hit us. I'm not even supposed to turn right here. Oh.
The driver cut off the motorcycle. The biker stopped so as to confront him. This is proof that bikers don't tolerate tailgating on the road. He chased this guy for necessary corrections.
What the was that all about?
Hey, slower traffic, keep right. It's posted in Oregon and in Washington.
Yeah, and if you notice,
So if
I
you're
got
going-
it on film.
so if you're
I was
going
passing
slower-
people. You take my life in your hands.
Get your hand out of my face, dude.
I am not going to take that from like you.
You need to move over if you're going slower than the traffic behind you, sir. That's
No,
it. Have a nice
you need
evening.
to keep your off me.
The old man pulled the young bikers over to yell at them. He was fully ready to fight them and follow them to their house.
So you're speeding in a 60 zone? I got you on camera, buddy. You said you're doing 100? And you're a retard. Don't. No shit, you're doing a 160 like you just said. Where are you going? You guys live down there? But you're like probably 6 or something and you were yelling at us and you retarded. Can you get him to go, please? Can you get him to go, like? What?
The woman almost hit the biker, claiming she didn't see him, only for the biker to find out that her mirror was wrongly placed. Some drivers need to learn the importance of their mirrors.
Excuse me, what was wrong? You know, you need to read the highway code. Filtering is legal. He's got a camera. We all have cameras. It's for legal requirements, like seriously. You have no, look, your mirror's not even open. Look, that's illegal to drive like this. Look, you have no mirror. How can you? Look, people like you, bikers. Excuse me, look. You know it's bike season. Look your mirror. You honked the horn because you didn't see him. Please open your mirror. It's dangerous to drive like this. You were stationary. You have, look, exactly, we have the right to filter, and you don't have your mirrors open. Look, excuse me, you're raising your voice at me, and the thing is, you have no mirror open. This is illegal. It's same as you have no mirror. I have your number plates on my camera. RJZ7961. You nearly cut that person off. You have no, look, you nearly cut that person off. You need to learn how to drive.
The old man was not happy about the biker riding around the lake. He wanted him out of the environment.
Hier ist Naturschutzgebiet. Verpisst euch da hinten aus. Echt? Das ist Kacke hier. Hier sitzen Leute, die wollen ein bisschen Abend genießen. Ihr blast hier hoch. Ja, die Leute gehören zu ihm. Die Leute gehören zu ihm. Oh, das wusste ich nicht. Ja. Das tut mir leid.
After arguing with the biker, the old man chose to use his car as a weapon. He reversed his car into the guy's bike.
Bloody closer. Yes, I have. How close, you idiot? You bloody didn't. You were about 2 feet away from me. Do you find that acceptable?
The biker tried to explain things to the driver about the speed limit after the driver intimidated him while doing the speed limit.
Was
man out?
Pointing at 30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the zone end. It was a 20-mile-an-hour zone, and you're beeping me, mate. I was doing 20 mile an hour.
If you're doing 20, I'm doing 30. We just got past 30 zone.
No, this is a 30 zone. That was a 20.
Yeah,
I was doing 20, then I increased my speed to 30 once the zone ended. I live around here. I know these roads. It was a 20. I was doing the speed limit. Went to a 30. I carried on doing the speed limit. There's no need to try and intimidate me by beeping, mate.
This driver threatened to call the police if she found him on the road another time. This was because the biker didn't use the bike lane.
I didn't do that. Don't try to hit me. Please do. I didn't do that. I was riding with another kid. Sure. That wasn't me. I was riding with another kid. Not mine. Yeah. Ooh.
This van driver wasn't using his mirrors before changing lanes. He almost crashed into the biker beside him. He got the right mirror smash.
Dad! घे साईडला दिसत नाही का तुम्हाला
काय झालं काय मला ते सांगा ना.
उडवलं असतं तुम्ही त्यांना विचारा काय झालं
मान्य मला तुम्ही लेफ्ट साइडने माझ्या समोर बाईक वर जर का क्रॉस होतो मी लेफ्टला दाबणार ना साहेब.
का लेफ्ट तुम्ही थांबलं पाहिजे तुम्ही लेन चेंज नाही केली पाहिजे
तुम्ही हा विचार
लेन्स नाही चेंज केली पाहिजे तुम्ही
अहो मी लेन चेंज करतो माझ्या अंगावर पूर्ण टच व्हायला तर मी काय करणार
म्हणून तुम्ही माझ्या अंगावर येणार माझ्या साईडला पण बघा ना त्यांना विचारा काय केलं त्यांना विचारा ना मी मूर्ख आहे चला मी तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ दाखवू व्हिडिओ आहे माझ्याकडे
मान्य करतो मी माझी गाडी लेफ्ट साइडला आली माझा पण तुम्ही थोडा प्रॉब्लेम समजून घ्या ना.
कोण होतं तुमच्या बाजूला बाईकवाला कोणी नव्हता
पुढे गेला तुम्ही बघा ना पुढे होता फोटो कशाला बोलेलो
दाखवू मी माझ्याकडे व्हिडिओ आपण बघू खरं असेल
माझी गाडी लेफ्टला आली मी स्वतः सांगतो ना पण माझ्या बाजूला
The biker was angry because the driver overtook him from the right side. It turned out he was the one at fault, but still confronted the driver.
Co ty kurwa robisz?
Co to, tor wyścigowy, chłopie?
Co się pół który pasem jedziesz, idioto jebany? Lewym cały czas? Lewym
Jak całym czas?
Gówno, to wypierdane prawie jedziesz wolniej.
Nagrywam wszystko, więc gościu wiesz.
Co z tego? Tak,
jajco, kurwa.
No masz jak jedziesz, kurwa. Kozak, kurwa. Dzwoń na milicję, już na milicję.
Hej, ma audycję, że możesz panować. To jest policja. Tu masz policję już od razu. No jedź się kurwa z celu.
This guy was lane splitting just when he decided to stay in the right lane. The taxi driver didn't care. They showed him a little bit of rage.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm right here. Fuck your people, man. Shut the
The biker decided to confront the driver for being impatient at the light. Do you think the man was impatient?
Ze is met een proefrit bezig en die motor, er zit een groene kenteken en die motor valt uit. Dan kan ze ook niks doen, hoef je niet voor te toeteren.
Hold on, we are not done. This next video is more intriguing and entertaining than this.